Are you after a low maintenance case that also looks sleek and sophisticated? A case that will look good not just today, but also in future, and provide you with the space to upgrade your components as you want to? Well, our new case has all of this and more. Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake V250 ARGB mid-tower case, the newest member of our V series of cases. The V250 is 230mm high, 216.5mm wide, and 477mm deep. This makes the case relatively compact in size, so it will fit on smaller desks and tighter spaces with ease. It has a 4mm thick tempered glass panel on the leftmost side of the case, as well as an acrylic front panel that provides the perfect way to show off the gorgeous pre-installed front fans. The side panel has 4 removable screws, allowing you easy access to all your components. The 3 120mm ARGB fans provide high airflow and feature 9 addressable LEDs and hydraulic bearings. The case also comes with one standard 120mm rear fan to ensure you have optimal airflow. Your pre-installed ARGB fans can be controlled by utilizing your motherboard software or by the handy button on your front I/O panel. Your I/O panel also comes with one USB 3.0 port and 2 USB 2.0 ports. You can fit up to an ATX size motherboard inside, as well as a CPU cooler of up to 160mm. This case was made with all-in-one water cooling support in mind, hence the large amount of clearance space above the motherboard. You can fit a radiator of up to 240mm at the top, or one of up to 360mm at the front. The case also features a handy PSU shroud to hide all your cables under, as well as some perforation above your power supply to assist in airflow. The V250 comes with an HDD cage for up to 2 hard drives. This cage is removable though, so if you are finding a little pokey in there with all of your cables, don't fret. There is also 2 mounts for your SSDs located at the back of the case. The case comes with dust filtration at the bottom, as well as a magnetic fan filter at the top to keep out all of those dust bunnies. The case also has quite high feet, allowing for optimal airflow at the base of the case as well. So if you want a clean, sleek looking case with tons of options for expandability, then the V250 might just be the perfect upgrade for you. Coming with 3 gorgeous pre-installed ARGB fans, as well as 2 stunning panels, this is a case that looks just as good as it functions.
Cooler Master has recently launched a new line of MasterBoxes, improving on every aspect that made the previous generation so amazing. Sitting at the top of this new series is the MB530P, packing premium features for those who love the look of addressable RGB and glass. This thing is a standalone showroom for your components, setting the glass stage for your beautiful build. 3 tempered glass panels make the component look great from any angle, especially when paired with the 3 included ARGB fans, and even the lead power button for good measure. Control of the lighting theme of your build is either done through the included controller, yes, it's included in the box, or straight from your motherboard if you're into having complete control. There is a partial seal print on the right tempered glass side panel that hides all the cable coming out from the power supply, and if you pair this feature with the use of the included metal cable cover, you can achieve a perfect cable routing without any effort. Cable management is always going to be on point, whether you hide it or you show it off with beautiful custom sleeved extensions. Inside the MB530P you'll find high quality rubber grommets, foolproof zip tie points, and smartly placed openings to reach your motherboard and components easily. This case is also 100% water cooling ready with 360mm radiator support in the front and 240mm support on top. For more information, you can find the link in the description.
This is the 110R, a minimalist mid-tower ATX case with all the essentials for your next build. The 110R's minimalist design ensures your system looks good in any environment, whether it's your office, living room, or battle station. And with its beautiful tempered glass side panel, you can showcase all your hard work and fancy components. The 110R also has ample storage options with room for up to 4 drives. There are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets and a removable cage that houses up to 2 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. Plus, there's a 5¼ inch optical drive bay in the front. Although it's a minimalist case, there are still plenty of options for cooling, with room for up to 5 120mm fans or 3 140mm fans, and a variety of compatible radiators. The 110R's design makes it easy to build a clean system and keep it that way. With a full-length PSU cover, you can keep your PSU and cables out of sight. And the removable dust filters in the floor, roof, and front of the case help keep your system looking clean long after the build is finished. With 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports and a combination headphone microphone jack, the front I/O panel on the 110R provides easy access to your favorite devices. The 110R Mid-Tower ATX case is modern, minimalist, and stylish, with all the essential features you need to build your next PC. For more information, visit us at Corsair.com.